to Tamil Nadu. We are going to show you at least two instances of a major violation of social distancing norms, and these violations are being done not by a regular citizen but by two ministers. So we are going to talk about these two instances coming in from Tamil Nadu, despite the state, remember, being one of the worst hit states across India, with active cases quite above the 50,000 mark. The state's ministers are acting in a lackadaisical manner, setting the wrong example in terms of observing social distancing. So these two instances, first is of Revenue Minister R.B. Uday Kumar, who participated in an event in Chennai to inspect the work of the health staff. While he was doing so, there was again a violation of the social distancing norms, as the staff decided to swarm and decided to congregate in close proximity to each other in one area. Reporters immediately raised questions about it to the minister. You'll see it in those pictures, how the staff was seen swarming in an area right next to the minister with no social distancing observed. The second case is of Fisheries Minister Jay Kumar in another event in Chennai. And interestingly, in this case, he was actually flagging off a rally to create awareness about the COVID norms and the social distancing norms. Ironically, what was missing in this event was social distancing. Visuals there on your screen to show you how the people were once again not maintaining the mandatory 1 meter distance. Pramod Madhav joining us now. Pramod, I think at least in the second case, you confronted the minister as well, and he was quite casual and cavalier about the entire matter. But this is rather serious. The country is now at a very critical juncture of curbing the spread of the virus. If ministers do not enforce it strictly, rather violate rules themselves, how is the state even going to follow the same guidelines?
That's the most scary part currently, because like in the state of Tamil Nadu, you are not allowed to conduct any kind of large events. People are not allowed to come together in more than numbers 50. But unfortunately, be it a ministerial event or be it a chief minister's event, you do not find this kind of rules being actually followed. For instance, on July 15th, there was an event in Salem held by the chief minister, where there were more than 500 people participating in it. What was the need, or what was the reason behind it? The AIADMK government does not have an answer. And for today alone, there are two events that has come forward. One with the Revenue Minister R.B. Uday Kumar in Tiruvachiyur, where also the numbers are considerably increasing every day. And the other one in Madhavaram, the outskirts of Chennai. This, just like you mentioned, it was the Fisheries Minister who's over there. He's flagging off a march to maintain social distance and to create awareness. And unfortunately, you could not find social distancing anywhere over there. And the shocking part is that close to 100 people participated in that event, and they were standing in that area for more than 1 hour. Eventually, the state government has mentioned very clearly that unless and until there is a need, people should not gather at any location unnecessarily. And here you have that for a minister, people are made to wait for more than 1 hour in large numbers, and they are not maintaining social distancing. This is what we wanted an answer from the ministers. We directly put forward the question to the AIADMK government, whether is this absolutely necessary, because these events are itself posing a threat to the actual norms of social distancing.
Yes. Yes, absolutely. What is the need to call a rally? Public gathering is prohibited. This is a virus that spreads human to human. That's something so basic, and yet it is not being observed with the strictest norms not being followed there in Tamil Nadu. Thanks for joining us, Pramod. We'll leave it at that. Breaking